Hey crypto enthusiasts! Have you ever dreamt of conquering the depths of the crypto market, riding the waves of volatility, and emerging victorious with a treasure trove of digital assets? Well, Kraken, the legendary crypto exchange, might just be your mighty Kraken in these uncharted waters. But before you set sail on your crypto adventure, a crucial question arises: what currency does Kraken use? Is it some mysterious, Kraken-specific coin hidden deep within its digital domain? Buckle up, crypto comrades, because the answer is both simpler and more complex than you might think. Fiat versus crypto, a tale of two worlds. To understand the currencies Kraken uses, we need to dive into the fundamental difference between fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. Fiat currencies are the traditional government-issued notes and coins we use every day, like the US dollar or the euro. Their value is based on the trust in the issuing authority and their control over the economy. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, are a whole new beast. They're digital assets built on blockchain technology, a decentralized and secure system that eliminates the need for a central bank. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless others fall under this category, and their value is determined by factors like supply and demand, utility within their respective ecosystems, and overall market sentiment. Kraken's multifaceted currency approach. Now, here's where things get interesting. Kraken doesn't have a single, designated Kraken coin. Instead, it functions as a platform where you can trade a vast array of cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a grand crypto bazaar where you can exchange your bitcoins for Ethereum, trade your Dogecoins for stablecoins like Tether, USDT, pegged to the US dollar, or explore hundreds of other options. Fiat on-ramp, bridging the gap. But what if you're new to the crypto world and your pockets are filled with good old fiat currency? Don't worry, Kraken offers fiat on-ramps, essentially gateways that allow you to use your debit or credit cards, or even bank transfers in some regions, to purchase crypto directly on the platform. Here's the catch: the specific fiat currencies accepted will depend on your location. Kraken caters to a global audience, and currency availability varies by regulation and financial infrastructure in each country. Understanding trading pairs, the engine of exchange. So, how do these cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies interact on Kraken? This is where the concept of trading pairs comes in. When you trade on Kraken, you're essentially exchanging one asset for another. Let's say you want to buy Bitcoin with US dollars. In this case, the USD and BTC form a trading pair. The price you see on the exchange reflects the current exchange rate between these two currencies. Kraken's supported fiat currencies, a glimpse into the marketplace. While the exact list of supported fiat currencies can fluctuate, some of the most commonly accepted ones include US dollar, USD, Euro, Euro, Canadian dollar, CAD, British pound, GBP, Japanese yen, JPY, Australian dollar, AUD. The takeaway: a world of currency options awaits. With this knowledge in hand, you can confidently navigate the currency waters of Kraken. Remember, Kraken doesn't have a single, dominant currency. It's a platform that facilitates trades between a diverse range of cryptocurrencies and, depending on your location, a selection of fiat currencies. So, explore, compare trading pairs, and choose the currencies that best suit your investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto sailing.